Hello everyone, how are you all? In this video we are going to discuss about the various number systems we are using in daily life. And first of all, we are having natural numbers, and it is represented by the capital letter N, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Instead of etc, I have put 3 dots here, right? And you don't need to write so many dots, only 3 dots would be sufficient to represent etc. And the smallest natural number is 1 and the largest one is infinity. And we could do many calculations with the help of the system of natural numbers, like 3 plus 2 equal to 5, 3 minus 1 equal to 2, so on. But the problem was that when you subtract 3 from 3, or when you take away 3 from 3, we get 0, but it is not there. So we had to include 0 in the system of natural numbers, and so we got the system of whole numbers, and the smallest whole number is 0 and the largest one again infinity, and it is going like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Even here also, instead of putting so many dots, I have just put 3 dots, and 3 dots should be there to represent etc. And the largest whole number is again infinity. And we thought it has become whole, full, but when you consider the subtraction of 2 minus 3, it is minus 1, but it is not there in the system of whole numbers. And even 3 minus 4, which is equal to minus 1, 3 minus 5, which is equal to minus 2. So we could not deal with such a situation, so we are introducing negative numbers also along with the system of whole numbers. Dot dot dot, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And this represents the system of integers, and it is represented by the capital letter Z. Z comes from the German word Zahlen, which means to count. And again, when you are dealing with the system of integers, fractions are not there, so we had to include fractions also in the system of numbers. So we are introducing another system of numbers, that is called rational numbers. Rational numbers are represented by the letter Q, and rational comes from the word ratio, and Q comes from the word quotient. And rational numbers are all fractions. A rational number is a number which can be put in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are both integers and Q not equal to 0. You have already learned about the system of numbers in class 5, class 6, 7 and 8 about different system of numbers. Even you have studied about rational numbers. A rational number is a number which can be put in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are both integers and Q not equal to 0. And if I change this particular definition, like it is a number which can be put in the form of P by Q, where P is an integer and Q is a natural number, does it make any difference?